Hi, I'm Grace, NewMed's Product Device Specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you the CELLER8 and how to use it. So the CELLER8 is a home use device. It's localised, it has a magnetic field strength of 100 Gauss and a frequency range of 1 to 100 Hz. So included in your CELLER8 box, you'll receive a quick start guide, you'll get a magnet tester and instructions on how to use that, and you'll get your CELLER8 carry bag. So included in your carry bag, you'll receive your CELLER8 device, which comes with a pre-attached strap, and you'll also receive your mains power supply. By using your 100cm elasticated strap, which is attached to the back of the device, you can strap the CELLER8 anywhere locally to the body. So the CELLER8 is not just a localised applicator, it's also your controller as well. It does have a rechargeable battery, but it can also be operated directly from the mains. So to charge your CELLER8, simply plug in your mains supply to the bottom of the device, like so. And when it's finished charging, the battery symbol will display as full. So to begin using your CELLER8, just hold down the middle button until the screen illuminates. You will then be given a choice of application. Already highlighted will be the controller. To select this, just click the wheel. You will then be asked to choose a program. The first 4 programs have preset frequencies to the time of day or activity. There is also a program that's customizable between 1 and 100 Hz. Like when choosing an application, rotate your wheel to the program desired until it's been highlighted, and then just click the wheel. In this example, we will choose the night mode. You will then see that the controller gives you the option to adjust your intensity or your session time. On custom mode, it will also give you the option to adjust your frequency. To change any of the variables, for example, the session time, rotate the wheel until session time is highlighted and then click in. Then rotate the wheel until your desired session time is reached and click confirm. For all the variables, this process will be the same. Once you're happy with your preset variables, just click start. Your CELLER8 will now run for the time shown on the screen. If you need to pause your session for any reason, simply highlight pause and click in. Then to resume, just click resume. If you need to stop your session for any reason, highlight pause, click in, then select stop and click in again. To power off your CELLER8 device, just hold down the wheel. If you have any questions about the products we've discussed today, please do not hesitate to contact us.